So today we're making some Betty Crocker, using some Betty Crocker cake mix, and we're gonna make cookies out of them, soft cookies. So let's get started. We need 1 bag of cake mix. Gonna need 2 eggs. I need a 1/2 stick of melted butter. I got a spoon and a fork, because it's a spoon and fork bear. But we're gonna go ahead and give this a good mix together with our fork. Combine it all together. And yes, I preheated my oven to 350. But we're gonna go ahead and mix all this together so it's all combined together. See, it's like a big chocolate. Just combine everything together. Make sure there's no powdery substance left in it. So there you have it, you guys. We got our little dough made, a little cookie. So now we're gonna go ahead and get our cookie sheet here. Got some parchment paper on it. And we're just gonna take our ice cream scooper and just scoop up some scoops and drop them on there. See, it's about this much. You wanna spread them out a little bit so they have room to spread out. Too close. We have them all on our sheets. Let's do this. So now we're gonna put it in the oven on 350 for 10 to 15 minutes. You just have to check on them. So I'll be back in a minute. So our cookies are done, you guys. Look how beautiful they came out, and they're nice and soft inside. We're gonna go ahead and use some vanilla icing just to give it a little prettiness on top. You see it, you guys? Delicious cookies. Just give it a little sprinkle of some. I'm using vanilla icing on mine. But you can add what you want to them. Or you can just leave them plain. You can have some soft, chewy cookies. So I'm only doing half. But you see how soft they are? You can just break them with your hands. Check Check that out, you guys. They're really soft. Yummy, yummy cookies. And it tastes really good. There you have it, you guys. Soft cookies made with cake mix. And everyone have a blessed day today. They taste so yummy, you guys. You need to try them. And you can use any cake mix you like. You can add chocolate chips to them, coconuts, sprinkles, whatever you like. You all have a blessed day, and thanks for watching.